ride, I push the
Turbo go. Dude, my mirror broke off.
I just dash on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Oh, GTI. 2 videos one day. What is up?
Cha boy? What is good, bros? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris and we're building my MK7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. If that is something that interests you, go down there, do the thing, hit the button, hit the like. We're on that grind to 10,000 subscribers. That's our next goal throughout the summer. So if that's something that you want to help with, go ahead, do the thing, you know? I just got my stage 2 XClutch in and she's rated to 680 pounds of torque. We're taking the next step in the build, really pushing this bitch and seeing what she gonna do. So today we're just doing a little thing. We have the integrated engineering inlet turbo pipe, and so we already got the intake from integrated engineering, but I'm running the CTS turbo inlet, and it's a little bit smaller. So we're gonna be swapping that with the integrated engineering. So yeah, if you guys didn't see the last video, go check it out. We just ripped with my friend Cole with the new clutch in, but dude, she's spicy. This thing's coming together. I'm so hyped. Ugh. This summer's gonna be great. Also, peep the grill. Ya boy's back in the sleeper game. Can't really see the front mount. All right, let's get into it. Inside your integrated engineering box, when you open your package, you'll receive a fat silicone tube. I already opened this like a month ago. The inlet tube itself. Let's see if we can get it focused. Oh, shit. Smells like boost. Inlet, big hose. This thing's fat, dude. Look at this. Look at the side. Compared to my head. God damn. It also comes with a stock one if you're running a stock inlet tube or stock intake. And clamp for this side. You want to get in the video? Yo, come here. Come on. Oh. Come on, baby. Okay, thank you. Good kiss. Sick. All right, let's check this out. Let's open it up. So in here you have your clamp, the actual bracket to hook it down. You got your O-ring to go around. They go around right here, and your bolts. Yo, this is mad easy. What the hell? Yeah, let's just get everything set up so we can just go right out and slap it right in. Crispy. This definitely came off my car. T25. Bro, what the? Oh! Oh my god, is that an integrated engineering turbo inlet? No. Nailed it. The Big Jackson. This is totally overkill. Yo, get some torque on this shit. Yeah, that bitch ain't going nowhere. You torque these down to about, give it a 1 ugga-dug. Right about there, 1 ugga-dug. Take your O-ring. And this goes like this. Like that. Tighten this down. All right, let's go. So for those who don't know, your inlet's right here, and it hooks to that little, I think it's a T30 right there. You pull that out. Yeah, you pull that, and then this whole thing will just twist either back or forward, and it'll come right out, and that's literally it. The only thing that's a pain in the ass is this little air hose right here. So everybody says you just have to pinch the fuck out and pull it off. Wrong. You have to twist it just right to a certain position while pinching the sides of the plastic, and then that will come right out of there. Let's do it. I opened all this shit like a month ago, and I have it all mixed together, but we'll figure it out. That's like the worst part I'm trying to get better at, is really give you guys the best, like, my perspective so you actually can see what's going on. Normally I'd put a rag down in here so I don't drop shit in there, but we're doing it gangster vibes in full sending it. Yeah, so this is the part, it's gonna twist backwards. Just enough that you can get it out. And then this thing, again, if my memory doesn't perceive me, if you twist it just right, I remember it coming off really easy. Yo, 10 out of 10, the engine's still kind of warm, so my hands are warm in here. Nice. There it goes. Money. All right, now let's go in. Very clean, integrated engineering turbo inlet pipe with our O-ring on there. I love how easy it goes on and how hard it comes off. Like, what a typical Volkswagen thing. She just went in a little bit hard. I had it a little bit off center when I was trying to twist it, that's why. So just be careful of that. Careful if it's really cold out, because this right here, super chintzy. That will definitely break if you're not careful. This doesn't need to be ream tight, just go nice and easy. One little extra ugga dug to make sure she's snug. That was the dumbest shit I've ever said. Look at this bad Jackson. She put in work, boy. She put in work. All right, we're on the iPhone. I don't know why my camera died, bro. I've been charging it all day, so that really sucks. But all right, it's back in. We got your T30 back in the back there. Why is this looks better than the camera? All right, so we got our T30 back in. Everything's in place. I double checked that everything was snug. Make sure that hose actually clips in, and just reassemble. You put the new hose on there, line everything up, make sure everything looks good. That's all she wrote, brother. I got to get those break-in miles, so we'll throw this in, get everything cleaned up, go for a little rip, see if it makes any difference. Better noises, you know, something. Bop, 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 bop. Camera gear. She's all back together. Brought to you by XClutch. No, just kidding. I don't know if it's gonna be cold or not. If it's cold enough, we'll do a cold start. And if it's warm enough, we'll get some spicy revs. Let me set you guys like up here. Got turbo go woo. Turbo go woo. All right. Yeah, like I said, me and Cole ripped all day, so I should be able to tell if there's like actually a distinctive difference or if it's just kind of like all hype, but we'll see. Either way, it's way nicer than the old one, and it's kind of nice to pair all your parts up together and kind of have the same thing, so we'll see what it do. And we back, and we back, and we back. Oh yeah. With the 680 foot-pound torque clutch and a big old fat intake setup. No stall, what's up? Stuff like this because you can't tell if it's like truly making more like peak power or if it's quick spool up. This is, but in theory this should probably spool up faster, right? But my problem is I can't shift really fast right now because I'm still trying to break this in, so it's kind of hard to tell. But it sounds amazing. Like if I just let off and then just immediately step on it. It's only like a second before it's spooled up, so. I hear some exhaust. I gotta try to run it. I gotta try to run it. We're gonna get it. What's up, bro? Ah. Damn it, that sucks. He went the other way. We almost had a good little run. Yo, friendly reminder. I don't know if this is what caused it. Dude, my mirror broke off. Like it came unglued from the actual clip, like the plastic part. Because I left my heated mirrors on forever. I don't think I ever realized that I didn't turn them off. So the glue came undone and it just like flew off. So I gotta buy a new one. It's only like 30 bucks from FPC Euro, but just one of those things so stupid. I looked at it and I was like, bruh, what's up, truck boy? Trying to run it? Yo, I put this clutch in and I'm like, every GTI owner when they go stage 2, they're just trying to run it with everything. That's what I feel like. Like, yo, it's not broken in, but you trying to go? I got one gear. I love these things, man. It's such a tank. People f***ing hate this thing so much. I love it. I go anywhere, like not even ripping, just driving, and they're like, nasty, nasty little greeble gremlin. Glizzy goblin. hate to do like mods and be like, oh my god, it's crazy, but the clutch changed the game, dude. This thing's so sick! Go down and hit that like button if you guys are liking the videos. You boys, back! Delicious. Oh, yo, is that TTRS? Oh, it's a new one. Is it a TTRS or is it a TT? Or is it a TTS? Can't tell because he just switched the wheels. Kind of tight. It's an older guy, as usual. Probably never gonna actually drive it. Oh! Alright, let's go hop in the interstate, do a couple more rips, and we'll head home, bros. And just like that, another video will be commenced. Two videos done today, bros. If you haven't seen the other one, go check it out. We put the clutch in and she's ripping. Still trying to get it broken in, get everything together, but I'm gonna make sure you guys have videos. And your boy's coming in hot. I don't know. I'm just super hyped. All right, I miss you guys. I'm glad I'm back. Just keep driving. Go out there and rip it for me. And I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Help your boy hit 10K subs. For real, I need your guys' help. That's my mission for the summer.